Let's continue checking to see if problem 64 and 65 are rectangles. Again, we will look at the slope. So if the slopes are parallel or opposite reciprocals of each other, then you have a 90-degree angle. So let's check the slope between KL and KN. KL, I can see, goes up 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the left. So the slope of KL is negative 1/6. Let's check the slope of KN. I know to get from K to N, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. So the slope of KN is 5 and 1. These two are not opposite reciprocals of each other, so 64 is not a rectangle. If we look at 65, to get from P to Q, we go up 2, we go over 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope from P to Q will be up 1 over 2, and it's positive. QR, I will go down 1, I will go over 2. It is also, it's 2 over 1. However, this time that slope is negative. So we will write negative 2 over 1. So far, so good. We have one set of segments that are opposite reciprocals. Let's keep looking. R to S is down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So that would really look like this. It would really be negative 2, 4 over negative 4, which is 1/2. Again, those will be perpendicular. The negative 2 and the 1/2 are opposite reciprocals. We have perpendicular. Let's look at PS. To get from S to P, I go up 2 and over 1. This is a negative slope. So once again, I've got another set of perpendicular. So you know that 65 is definitely, yes, that one is a rectangle. We're going to use that system. We will use that same process to try and find point D on the coordinate grid so that ABCD is a parallelogram. Remember, a parallelogram has two sets of parallel sides. So if I connect A to B and I look at the slope of that one, I can do a slope triangle. I can count up 1, 2, 3. I can count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can see that the slope of AB will be 3 over 5. So if I look at point C, I want a point D over here where I go up 3 and over 5. So let's work backwards. Let's go down 3 from C, 1, 2, 3, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put a point right there. That point, which is the point 2, negative 6, should complete, this is D, should complete that parallelogram.